Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing an all pink look. I have been dying to make this video. I kind of have been wanting to do like these monochromatic looks where I just like pick a color and focus that on like eyes, lips, blush, like things like that. So definitely let me know if you guys like that type of video, but today it's pink. Let's just say my favorite color is not pink. Along with that little tutorial, I thought it'd be actually fun to kind of test out some new makeup as well. So let's get into the video. I've already primed my skin with the Colourpop All-Star Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to be testing out the Joah Truly Yours Natural Finish Foundation Drop. It's inspired by K-Beauty, and this is a drugstore foundation, which is fantastic. I haven't tested this out. They sent me this a while ago in the shade Natural Ivory. I have no idea if this is going to match my skin. I am praying it does. I'm going to do some drops on my face. This was a terrible idea. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can already tell it's going to be very pale and a little on the pinky side. Yeah, that is... Ooh. I'm using my little, well actually it's not very little, my Elsie sponge. I really like this sponge a lot. You know what? It's blending out really nicely and it doesn't have terrible coverage. Alright, so the shade is actually not horrible. It kind of matches my skin quite well. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more drops. This is terrifying because this is quite liquidy. I'm not really detecting a scent either, which is really nice. I haven't really tested out a drugstore foundation in a while. That's pretty much like one layer. I'm gonna go in a little bit more on this side because I think I put a little bit more on that side, but for the most part, this looks so beautiful. Like, it doesn't look like makeup. It's very natural looking. It's not like super matte and it's not dewy either. It kind of just has like a very natural skin-like appearance. Alright, we are moving on to concealer, and I'm going to be giving the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer another go. I did try this once before, and honestly, it just didn't sit right underneath my eyes. I think maybe I put too much, but it was really drying, and it made my under eyes look really crepey and textured and just not good. I don't know if it was like other products I was using on my face, but I'm going to give this another try. We're going to see, and we're going to use a very, very tiny amount. The applicator is actually really cool because it's like very cooling underneath the eyes. It's like this little metal piece. So I'm going to see, even like that much is like way too much. I'm gonna go one eye at a time. I'm gonna go back to my little Elsie sponge and I'm going to tap this into my skin. I'm using the shade Nougat, which is very yellow compared to my face because this foundation is kind of like on the cooler side than I normally go for. Oh, this looks so strange against the foundation color. Wow. So the concealer actually does have a scent as well. It's the same scent as her like primers and powders. It's like this rose, like a sweet rosy smell. So it is definitely fragranced, which I mean, it smells pretty, but I just don't find it necessary for makeup products to be scented. One eye is done. It looks really good, very smooth and pretty so far. It looked really good when I had done it the last time, and then it just started turning on me. So we're gonna find out. I'm gonna do the other side as well. I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face using my Mercier setting powder. I'm gonna go into the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic bronzer. I literally use this every single day. It's one of my absolute favorites. I'm gonna bronze up the skin, add some color back into my face. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows using the Joah Precision brow pencil. I'm using the shade Brunette. I actually love this pencil a lot. This was a great find, and it's also from the drugstore. So here's where the fun and the pink starts. We're gonna do some blush and highlighter. This is the Karity Blush Bomb in Pow Pink. You have 3 blushes in here, so pretty, and this gorgeous pinky tone highlight. Oh, wow. Okay, that is beautiful. We're gonna have to use that. And then we have this TooFaced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette. I remember swatching this, but I haven't put it on my face yet. This rose gold color is freaking fantastic. Let me swatch it. It's so pretty. Like, I don't know, should I wear that as a blush? Should I wear that? I don't know, it is shimmery. I think I'm gonna start off with like more of a matte blush first. This is called Hey There from the Karity palette. And I'm gonna apply a very small amount of that because Ooh, I always go overboard with blush, so I'm going to just gently sweep this onto my cheeks. It's a lot more subtle than I was expecting, in a good way. Now I'm gonna go into the Too Faced palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. I'm terrified. It's called Peach Pop. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna take a really small amount, and I'm just going to sweep this over top. Ooh, okay, that is really pretty. It's definitely a nice blush topper slash highlight. Like, I wouldn't even need to highlight, but you know I am going to. But this is actually super pretty. I'm gonna take this little BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. This is part of a new brush collection, and I'm gonna dip into this little highlighter right here, and I'm gonna pop this on the higher points of my cheeks. Hallelujah. Goodness gracious, you do not need a lot of this. I'm like so pleasantly surprised by this little palette here. They have a bunch of other colors. I'm definitely going to use those as well. Check them out because this is really beautiful. This highlighter though, this is literally why I love trying new products on my channel. I discover so many favorites, and there's just so much makeup out there to try. I think it's fun to just kind of use it for the first time and see what happens. Alright, so for my eyes, I've pulled a few palettes that have a lot of pinks in them. This one is the Colourpop Ooh La La palette. Then we have the Karity Rose All Day, and then this new Violet Voss Berry Burst. I opened this up, and honestly, it's not as pinky as I thought it was going to be, so we're going to see about that one. The Karity palette, it definitely has really good pink transition shades, and then the like bright fuchsia. But a part of me feels like we're really gonna focus on the Colourpop Ooh La La palette. I've been dying to dig into this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Also, I'm like low-key losing my mind because I cannot for the life of me find my little Persona Cosmetics pink eyeshadow palette kit thingy. I recently used a copper one in another video, and I really wanted to use the pink one, and I can't find it. And it would be the most perfect video to use it in, but I have literally turned my room upside down trying to look for it, and it just poof, disappeared into thin air. I'm starting off with the Karity Rose All Day palette, dipping into Froze. The Colourpop one doesn't really have like a brow bone highlight shade, so I'm just gonna pop this color right underneath my brow. Oh my god. Karity is just surprising us today with like these hella pigmented shimmer shades and highlights. Like, wow, this is such an interesting frosty shade. It kind of has like this violet blue shift to it. Really pretty. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Sunday, and it's a really pretty rosy pink shade. I'm gonna take that on a little blending brush, and I'm gonna just pop this into my crease as our first transition shade. Now I'm gonna go into the Colourpop Ooh La La palette and take Sandbar. This is just like a bright Barbie hot pink shade. Holy crap. And I'm going to pack this into my crease. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I want to deepen up my crease just a little bit, and the Colourpop palette has these two shades. This one's more like a plummy burgundy, and this one's like purple. I think I'm gonna mix the two together and see what color that gives me. I would like a deeper pink shade, but we're gonna go with what we have. I'm gonna press that into, oh, actually, that's actually really pretty. I'm gonna go into the shade Opulent, which is more of kind of like a metallic shade. Take that on a flat shader brush. Ooh, that is pigmented. I'm going to start applying this to probably the second half of my eyelid, keeping this part open for another color. Ooh, that's a fun color. This color is also so pigmented, wow. And then for the rest of my lid, I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Big Sugar, and I'm gonna pack that on. This one is also kind of like a shimmery metallic color. This is kind of a little bit more like bubblegum pink. I'm gonna go back to my little blending brush and just blend out all the edges. Make sure it's nice and seamless. I'm gonna take a mixture of Sandbar and Caddy. I'm gonna blend these two together on a little brush here, and I'm gonna apply that underneath my lower lash line. And once I have that down, I'm gonna mix these two shades together on a little small fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend that dark purple out a little bit more so it's leaning more pink. This shade looks so pretty. It's called Tickled. It's this duochrome. Oh wow, that is really pretty. I'm thinking of popping that in the inner corners of the eyes and possibly in the center of the lids, just gonna give it like that wet look. Let's try it out. I love it. The shade is iridescent and it has like little violet and purple blue glitters. I'm gonna pick up some of that shade and give it a quick little Fix Plus spritz just so it can apply a lot more foiled on the lid. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Oh yeah, oh yeah. As if this is not already magical enough, I'm gonna take this Limecrime Diamond Dew. This is so pretty. I haven't used this before, but it has like chunkier flecks of glitter in it than a lot of other products I have. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it has like green, blue, purple. I wish it was more like on the pinky side, but I think it'll still kind of like make the center of my lids pop. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm going to just place this on the center of my lids. Oh my god. Oh, this is in the shade Confetti, by the way. I'm gonna take a mixture of these two shades again with a little angled brush, and I'm going to kind of just press this into my top lash line just to kind of make it a little bit darker. Alright, so for the waterline, I'm not going to go like full on pink just because I feel like that might make me look a little ill, but I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and this is in the shade Pink of Me. It's a really soft, almost like off-white pink shade, and I feel like this is just going to brighten up underneath the eyes. Oh yeah, definitely. I love these eyeliners. They're matte, creamy, super pigmented. You don't have to run it like 500 times in your waterline. My mascara, I actually want to try a new one out. This is from Revlon. This is the Volumazing mascara. So here is the finished eye look. I think it came out so pretty. It's so fun, and I think the glitter on the lids really just elevated the look, but I'm really happy with the finished look. So for the lips, it has to be pink, of course. I found this in my collection and I thought it would be so fitting. This is from MAC Cosmetics. It's the Oh Sweetie lip color. This is in the shade Raspberry Pavlova. I don't know if this is a gloss, a liquid lipstick. I'm not quite sure. We're about to find out. But yeah, I don't know. I thought this would be really pretty. Oh, she's metallic. Oh my god. Wow, it's actually really pigmented. I thought it was going to be like kind of a sheer gloss. This is definitely a look. Since we have some glitter on the lids, why not add some glitter on the lips? This is the Morphe lip topper in the shade Jinx. And this is part of their holiday collection. I'm going to put some on the back of my hands. Kind of a really pretty sheer but like shimmery gloss. These feel so good on the lips. I just don't want to ruin the wand. Ooh, I like the color it's turning it into. Kind of matches the eyes a little bit better with like that purpley tone. I think we need some more blush. Alright, so this is the final look. It's definitely pink. It's definitely bright and out there. I feel like if I was just to wear like a little pinky nude lip with this, is definitely something I can wear out and about to an event. It's not like anything too crazy, but I think it's so pretty. I can't stop looking at the eyes. I definitely feel like Barbie. I need my matching pink sports car and I'm set. Also really quickly, totally forgot that I was trying new products on my face today, but my foundation looks so pretty. Like, the color has definitely gotten a lot better. It's not as like pinky tone, which is really strange to me, and I feel like once I do the rest of my makeup, it definitely just matches very well now. But wow, like, it's not cakey. It's not clinging to any dry spots. It hasn't creased anywhere on my face, which is also shocking. It doesn't look super dry. I'm very impressed. Wow, okay, not expecting that. Also, the concealer does not look as bad as it did the first time I used it. It looks actually pretty good. I definitely would recommend wearing an eye cream before you're gonna do your makeup, just so your under eyes are a little bit more hydrated, because I do feel like this concealer is definitely very matte, could be drying. So if you have like super dry skin, I'm not sure if this concealer might work for you. But yeah, little goes a very long way. You do not want to go heavy with this. But other than that, like everything else, like the blushes, the highlighter, so so into it. Like, I think everything came out really fun and really pretty. I'm very into my makeup. I gotta go take like a million pictures now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like the look that I came up with. If you guys want to see more like monochromatic makeup looks, definitely let me know, and also like what kind of color eye looks you guys want me to do. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, Makeup by Jesi. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go, and also hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. With all of that said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!